Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech tips as easy as booking your next vacation. Today, we're diving into how to add your Expedia booking to your Outlook in 2025. If you're tired of juggling emails and calendars, this quick guide will help you sync everything seamlessly, so you never miss a flight or hotel check-in again. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Expedia account ready and access to Microsoft Outlook on your device. This process is straightforward and should only take a couple of minutes. Step 1. Log into your Expedia account on their website or app. Head over to your Trips or Bookings section to find the reservation you want to add. Once you've got your booking pulled up, look for the Options menu, usually an icon like 3 dots or a share button. Select the option to export or share your itinerary. In 2025, Expedia has made this even simpler with direct integration options, so choose to send it as an iCalendar file or via email to yourself. This file format is key because Outlook loves it. Now, switch over to Microsoft Outlook. Open your email if you sent the itinerary that way, or if you downloaded the file, go to your calendar view. Click on Add Calendar or Import in the top menu. Select the iCalendar file you just got from Expedia, and Outlook will prompt you to review the details like dates, times, and locations. Double-check everything to make sure it's accurate, adjust if needed, such as adding reminders for your departure. After that, hit Save or Import and voila! Your Expedia booking is now in your Outlook calendar. You'll get notifications and can even share it with friends or colleagues for group trips. One quick tip. If you're using the Outlook mobile app, the process is almost identical, but make sure it's updated to the latest 2025 version for the best compatibility. There you have it. That's how you stay on top of your travels in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech-savvy travel hacks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next one.